All right. So same thing that we talked about with the hamstring is pulling ourselves into position. We're going to do here. So instead of just letting my body drop, I'm going to pretend like I'm ripping my hands off the ground. I'm going to pull myself into position here, and I'm going to hold it. You might have a little grass in your face, but you'll be all right. The thing with this is a lot of people, when they're running in acceleration, the fastest people have great trunk flexion, right? Which is the ability to have their trunk here without being rounded here and keeping it going in the direction that they can. And great knee flexion, which is the ability to have a great knee bend when they strike the ground, right? So, but you have to be very strong for that, which is why we built up the legs, right? And when they hit, the glutes need to be turned on to be able to push through that range of motion. And then the trunk needs to be strong and the arms, everything needs to be strong, right? But these are different things that we can do to build that body up and make sure that we can do that. All right. So you'll go, I don't know how strong you are, but let's go for 45 seconds. All right. Ready, and go. Yeah, and let's make sure the neck is neutral so the body is long as possible. The top of the head, the crown, this part of the head, I want to be, yeah, long as possible. Good. Relax the head. I know it's grass, but I don't need it here. Head up is not going to serve us. I know it's a little grass down there, though, but it'll be all right. Breathing now. It's good. He's breathing now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. We'll go 30 seconds on the rest. We got another one. We'll go 3 sets total for today. These type of exercises is why power lifters aren't fast and explosive. Not power lifters. I shouldn't say power lifters. I should say bodybuilders. Because some power lifters can move if they do so. But the bodybuilders, they don't have the connective tissue strength. This is getting the strength in the muscles and the connective tissue strength so that I can actually put that power into use. Right? Bodybuilder got all that mass, and you ask them to hold it, they're gonna give out quick. Ready, go.
Wish they had done a few more episodes. Remember that competition that Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, had done? Did you see any of that?
Nah, what was it?
One season, I think it was called Titan Games.
Okay, no, I didn't see that.
All like you had to be really strong,
Yeah,
and athletic.
I didn't see that.
Do it, and it exposed the dudes that were just big.
Just big, yeah. I didn't see that. That's cool though.
All, like they had to go like up these
15 more seconds.
Like the first thing was like this uphill thing with like basically like a big rotating
column. Yep.
Right.
Yep.
And you had to be able to like hurdle and jump it and like be balanced.
3, 2, 1. I couldn't do it.
Make it over the first one.
Yeah.
And there'd be another dude that would just like blitz up it. Yeah, I mean it was kind of cool because it was like
you get to see that in action. Yep. And that's the dope thing about it. As a receiver, you want to be able to move. That's the biggest thing. Hitting people and all that, that's cool. But when you get to NFL level, college level, you're not trying to hit nobody as a wide receiver. Besides the DB, I mean, they may put it in there. You gotta go block this safety or linebacker. But if I could just get the job done without having to take those hits, get an open space. That's where you want to be, space. All right, this time let's do the same thing, but as we come down, I don't want the elbows as close. I want to come down almost at a 45-degree angle. All right, ready, and go. Yep. These elbows are going to want to come in, especially as the time goes by. The elbows are going to want to come in just because it's going to be hard to hold it. If you're here, those pecs are long. Really, yeah, we want to be strong in everything, but a lot of times people get here because they're just trying to hold on for dear life and using the joints. But look at them shake now. Look at them. See, a little different than the last set, right? He holding on for dear life. Relax the head. Keep the head neutral. Good. I know it's grass down there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Yeah, another thing too, the training is not going to be like, if he wants to be what y'all say, then the training is not always going to be easy. It's not always going to be a lot of volume, just going crazy, but you have to do stuff that's going to get the body to adapt.
Yep.
So you need a stimulus that's going to be great enough to do that. All right, we'll pop up. We're going to go into some mechanic stuff.